Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I have my friend Kalyani Bhatt.
Hi.
She is going to show one of her awesome ladoo recipes which I had the opportunity to have all these years, and it's a Besan Ladoo, her version, very quick and easy, amazingly tasty. So if you are ready, let's go.
She is using unsalted butter as it gives a nice texture and flavor to the ladoos. Allow it to melt completely. Now this is plain chickpea flour, what you make fritters or bhajiyas with. Roast on medium flame, stirring continuously for about 25 minutes, and you will start seeing it slowly come together. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on all the yummy recipes I post every week. Once this starts roasting, you will see bubbles forming. Now while that's roasting, let me show you her lovely backyard. She has a lot of flowering plants, vegetables and herbs, and also has decorated beautifully to sit back and enjoy nature. It's so quiet and peaceful out here. Now let's get back inside and see how the chickpea flour is roasting. Now you can see that it's cooking and changing color. We will need to roast a bit more for it to be fragrant and golden. We are almost there. Now this is the consistency we are looking for. It should drop gradually once completely roasted. Before we keep it to cool at room temperature, we need to add a teaspoon of milk and mix it right away. See how it boils while mixing? Leave it to cool on the counter. This is powdered sugar that she has ground at home. Remember, it's not confectioner sugar. She has mixed cardamom powder, and here you can also add saffron if you like. Keep mixing until the sugar is completely incorporated, so you can start mixing with hand if you like. This way you can check if it's binding. Now she checked if it binds and it's good, so you can start binding and rolling into ladoos of desired size. It makes about 19 to 20 ladoos with this measurement. Looks great, right? Once they are rolled out completely, you can decorate any way you like. Thank you for watching.
Wow, this was such an amazing recipe. Thank you for sharing it with us. It was amazing.
Would you like to try one?
Sure, why not? It looks so tempting.
Here you go.
Awesome. I mean, I don't have any other words. It's absolutely awesome, out of the world. It was an amazing recipe. I hope you do try it for this Diwali. These amazing ladoos. I really appreciate you showing this recipe.
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali! And if you like this recipe, let me know what you think in the comments below. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.
You.